Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I would like to share about the how can you calculate the concentration or quantity of the purified protein. And before describing this topic, I would like to tell that please subscribe my channel and also push the button of bell icon. And my name is Sarfraz Rahman. I did PhD in parasitology. So today topic is that the purified protein quantification. So first of all, I would like to tell about the sketch of this topic. So this is the sketch of that the OD values when you are performing the BCA kit method, and after completing the BCA kit method, then you put your 96 well plate into the spectrophotometer, and at the 562 nanometer you will get the OD value at 30 minutes. And like this, these are the OD values. You can see these two rows, that is the BSA, bovine serum albumin, and this is the maximum OD value and this is the minimum OD values. Then the other two wells of the 96 well plate, that is the tube 1. You are trying to calculate the concentration of the protein. So these two wells indicate the concentration, or actually these are the OD values. So next is the this is a sketch of the 96 well plate, and you can see there's two rows which indicate the bovine serum albumin. Otherwise, this is the tube 1. You are trying to calculate the concentration of this tube 1. So you put this at the different concentration, these two wells, then you get the average value. Then similarly the tube 2 and tube 3. So these are the average value. So these first well of the tube 1 and tube 2 and tube 3, if you are diluted twofold, then you multiply the 2. If you diluted 1/3, then you definitely multiply with 3. And so these values of average of the first that's the column, like this, you can see that 0.2095, and this is the 0.2095. And similarly you can see that the other is the 0.1 and average value is 0.1275, and third one is the 0.115. These are the OD value of the first well. And then this is the calibration curve. So today actually I will tell you how can you calculate the protein concentration with the help of this calibration curve. This is the calibration curve. In the next slide I will tell you the how can you make this curve. It is the technical point and technical and critical point. Now next, that the other slide is you can see that this slide, the tube 1, the concentration is 19.05, and purified pellet tube 2, that is 9.21. and similarly you can see that the purified pellet tube 3, that is the 0.4414. So this is the actually overview of the calibration. How can you calculate the protein with the help of the calibration curve? So other is that this is the calibration curve. So I will also put the reference, and I will give you this calibration curve Excel sheet in my YouTube channel. So the first this column, it will indicate the absorbance of the BSA, bovine serum albumin. According to this these values, you can see this the straight line in the graph, and which indicate the R value. So keep in mind that R value should be 0.983 to 1, in between 0.9839 to 1. So you can see that how can you calculate if I put the value like this 2.44, and these are the average value of the bovine serum albumin. If I put to this 2.43, and similarly you can you can see that as I am putting the values of the OD, and here you can see and observe that the value of R is also changing with these values. Like now this value is 0.9298 when I put this 2.42. Now you can see that this value become that 0.9316. Similarly, I would like to put that 2.41. Now you can see that this R value is 0.91, that is a 51. So similarly I will put the 2.40. Now you can observe that this is the value 0.8784. so these values that is changing according to that absorbance of the bovine serum albumin. OD values 2.40. You can see that value is also changing according to it, these values. So this value goes to that 0.7, that is not good. So there it means that this value should be 2.4. So this value has become 0.7286. So this is the 2.41. So you can see that this R value is 0.6173. that is not good, and we need to get that 0.9. so if we eliminate this value, you can see this value is changing with the help of this OD value, and you can change or eliminate this another value, so that this point you can observe that this is the value is this. Now it is okay that R value is 0.9419. so this is okay, and because it is in between the 0.94 and 1. So now you can use this formula for the calculation of the protein. So if the value is 0.2095, so it is important that this is the formula, and you can here put, when you click this column, that you can get the you can change the formula. So 0.1240. So here is 0.31. So now this is the actual concentration of the protein. So similarly now if you want to get to another value of this, you can put the control C, then paste here. So you can get this value with the same formula, and then put here, and you can also get the